If you go through the galleries here, there's just mind-blowing, extraordinary photography. Some of it that's not manipulated whatsoever. Some of it having crazy extensive techniques, right? When you look at the microphotography of these little insects, was it 800 pictures to create one picture? So he uses one set of tools to create that expression. I'm using one set of tools to create my expressions. And then there's the photojournalists like Mohammed, the AP photographer, who I was blown away by. I mean, those portraits from those refugee camps are so touching and so extraordinary in their emotional content. You can't compete with that in this composite photography, but it's not who I am as a person, right? I'm balanced, I don't really see conflict, quieter. So for me, these dreamscapes, as I call them, you know, people flying in clouds and all, that's my way of expressing myself. So do you have to be, you can be successful in every avenue of photography, I think. It's not one way or road to success. The road to success is really expressing who you are. So that's part of this lecture, right? To show that the development happens by knowing who you are, right? And finding what turns you on as a photographer. That's when you're successful. If you try to do what I do, you wouldn't be perfectly successful at it because you wouldn't be honest in that expression. When you're honest to yourself and who you are, that's when you will flourish. That's when you will be excited about what you're creating, and that's when you will be successful.